Hello friends, welcome to Net Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about term symbols. From this topic in your exam you will be having one question, either to predict the molecular term symbol or else the selection rule for the transitions, electronic transition selection rule. You have to say whether the transition is allowed or forbidden transition. These two categories of question you can expect in your exam from this topic. So let us start with the term symbol. First itself I would like to say there are three types of term symbol: electronic term symbol, atomic term symbol and molecular term symbol. Okay, we will see in detail what all are the term symbols. And the next one is selection rule for electronic transitions. There are certain set of rules to predict whether the transition is allowed or forbidden transition. Okay, so let us start. First we will see electronic term symbol. Okay, what is a term symbol? As you know, term symbol is nothing but the coupling between the two electrons. Okay, that you know, coupling between the electrons result in number of term symbols. There are so many number of term symbols. In that you have to write only ground state term symbol for atomic or molecular orbits. Okay, so let us begin with electronic term symbol. First I am writing electronic term symbol. Okay, in this electronic term symbol itself, two categories of electronic term symbols are there: coupling between two equivalent electrons and coupling between two non-equivalent electrons are there. Okay, electronic term symbols itself, two categories are there. First category is coupling between two equivalent electrons. Okay, two equivalent electrons. And the second is coupling between two non-equivalent electrons. So first thing is electronic term symbol. In this electronic term symbol itself, coupling between two equivalent electrons are there and coupling between two non-equivalent electrons are there. Okay, first we will see coupling between two non-equivalent electrons. What is non-equivalent electrons? See, for example I am writing S1 P1, S electrons and P electrons are coupling, or else S1 D1 or else P1 D1 etc. Okay, coupling between two non-equivalent electrons. What is equivalent electrons? It is like P electrons, D electrons, F electrons etc. It is not in between the orbital, it is in the same orbital electrons. Okay, this is non-equivalent electrons and this is equivalent electrons. There are two different methods to calculate the term symbols of this equivalent and non-equivalent electrons. We will see in detail. First we will take two non-equivalent electrons. What is the method to calculate the term symbol of a non-equivalent electron? Okay, what all are the S1 P1, S1 D1, P1 D1. Not only this, there are many examples you can take. So first we will see two non-equivalent electrons. Okay, first let us see two non-equivalent electrons, S1 P1, two different orbital electrons, how it is coupling, what is the formula to calculate the term symbol we will see. This is the formula to calculate two non-equivalent electrons. Predict the term symbol 2s plus 1 Lj. Okay, what is S, what is L and what is J we will see. S is nothing but you know, it is a spin. L is you know angular momentum quantum number, right? Angular momentum. And J you know it is a sum of what? Spin plus angular momentum, right? So the formula to calculate the two non-equivalent electrons term symbol 2s plus 1 Lj. S is nothing but the spin, L is the angular momentum quantum number and J is the sum of spin plus angular momentum. So 2s plus 1 we will call it as spin multiplicity. Okay, 2s plus 1 is spin multiplicity. Let us see there are two non-equivalent electrons. How the spin will be? There is two possibilities. Either the electrons are aligned in a singlet state or it will be in a triplet state. So we have to take two conditions. One is in the singlet state. Either electron will be like this or the electrons, both the electrons will be like this. This is the spins are cancelling each other, right? This is a singlet electron. You are getting right? Singlet and triplet. Since it is in two different orbital, the electrons can align in two different way. Either it is in a singlet alignment or it is in a triplet state, right? So here what is the spin of this? Plus half plus minus half, right? One electron is having a spin of half, right? This two will be cancel and spin will be 0. Clear? And here it will be plus half, right? S is equal to 1. Here the spin will be 1 and here the spin will be 0. So in the singlet state, the electron spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is 2 into 0 plus 1. It is 1, right? This is the singlet. Total spin multiplicity of singlet alignment will be 1. And for the triplet, if you are calculating 2s plus 1, 2 into s is equal to 1 plus 1, it will be 3, right? So you will be getting two condition for this formula. 2s plus 1 Lj is the formula to find out the time symbol. So for this you are getting only this part I have calculated. For 2s plus 1 you are getting 1 and 3, right? So two time symbols now itself you got. So I am writing 1 Lj and 3 Lj, correct? Right? Yes. So the next is, what is L? L is nothing but angular momentum. We will see how to calculate the capital L is equal to L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2, right? L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2. Capital L equal to L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2. What is L1? L2. One is s orbital and one is p orbital, right? One electron is in the s orbital and the other electron is in the p orbital. So for s, L1 equal to 0, you know, right? Angular momentum of s orbital is 0 and p orbital is 1, right? For p orbital, small l is equal to 1 and for s orbital it is 0. So L equal to, we will calculate L, 0 plus 1 to 0 minus 1, right? 1 to 1 you will be getting 1, right? Only 1 you are getting. So I am writing it here. L equal to 1. You got L equal to 1. What is L equal to 1? L equal to 1 nothing but it represents the P, right? It is like this. S equal to 0, P1, D2. If L is equal, this is the L values, okay? This is the orbital. If L is equal to 0, if L is equal to 0, it represents S orbital. If L equal to 1, it will be representing P, and if L equal to 2, it is representing D, and L equal to 3, it is F. It is so on, okay? So here we got L equal to 1, we will be getting P, okay? Now you got, here I am writing, two conditions are there. We got one L value, 1 Pj or else 3Pj, right? We got L equal to 1, 2s plus 1, 1 and 3 already we got. Then L we have calculated, L equal to P we got. Now only one thing is left, that is J. Now J is the question mark. How to calculate the J? J is nothing but spin plus angular momentum, right? What is the angular momentum L we got? S plus capital L. Okay, J is nothing but S plus L. So S plus L we will calculate now. J is equal to S plus L to S minus L. Okay, now J is equal to S plus L to S minus L. Okay, so what all are the spins you have? S we got two values 0 and 1, right? S equal to 0 and S equal to 1. Two values are there. S equal to 0 condition is there. S equal to 1 condition is there. So we will calculate for both. Okay, J is equal to 0 plus 1 to 0 minus 1, right? Then you will get 1. J equal to 1, and the next condition J is equal to S is equal to 1 plus 1 to 1 minus 1. What you will be get? 2, 1, 0, right? 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0, right? So you will be getting 2, 1 and 0. It is clear? S equal to L plus S to L minus S, right? So 0 plus 1 S spin, two types of spins we have. 0 spin is there, singlet. S equal to 1 value is there. Both the values I have applied. One I got J is equal to 1 and the other J is equal to 2, 1, 0, 3 values we got. Okay, now we will apply. What we got? 1 Pj and 3 Pj, right? Now J value we have to substitute. For S equal to 0 only we got this term symbol. So 1 P, S equal to 0, it is 1. The term symbol is 1P1. And triplet state, what all are we got for J value? 3P2, 3P1 and 3P0. Okay, how many term symbols we got? Now these 4 term symbols are, these 4 transition represent S1 P1. Okay, this is the term symbol of two non-equivalent electrons, 1P1, 3P2, 3P1 and 3P0. It is clear? We will see the another example, then it will be clear for you. Okay, so the next non-equivalent electrons I took S1 D1. Okay, formula the same formula, 2s plus 1 Lj, no need to explain again. S is spin, L is the angular momentum quantum number and J is spin plus angular momentum. Okay, S equal to spin, you know, say L is the angular momentum. How to calculate? L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2, right? And J you will calculate L plus S to L minus S, right? This is the calculation. S is nothing but spin. First we will calculate S value or else 2s plus 1 spin multiplicity. Since it is two alignment, there are two possibilities for the electron alignment. Either it will be like this singlet state or else it will be a triplet state. Here spin equal to 0, spin will cancel each other. Here spin is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, right? Like this only we will be calculating. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 you will be getting 0, right? Here 2 electrons spin will be cancelling each other. Here spin is there. So S equal to 1. So what is the value of 2s plus 1? We will be getting 2s plus 1. Here it is 1 you will get, right? S I have substituted 0. Okay, S we put 0 value for S, then you will be getting 1. Here 2s plus 1, what is the value you will be getting? 2 into 1 plus 1, you will be getting 3. So two different 2s plus 1 value we got. First we will write that 1 Lj and 3 Lj. Okay, next we will calculate L value. What is L value? L value is nothing but L1 plus L2 to L1 minus L2, right? Here what all are the L values we have? For S electron it will be S orbital, L will be 0 and D it will be 2, right? 0 plus 2 to 0 minus 2, right? Correct? Yes. So 2 to 0 plus 2 you will be getting 2. So we are calculating 0 plus 2, we got 2. So we have to see from this list for 2 represent which letter. It is the capital D. So we have to substitute for L. Here 1 dj, L value we have got. Here it will be 3 dj. Correct, we got 2 L values that we have substituted. Now we have only one thing is remaining is J value. How to calculate the J value? J value, you know, J is equal to L plus S to L minus S, right? So here two different conditions is there. One is spin equal to 0 condition is there, and spin equal to 1 is there. Correct? Spin equal to 0 and spin equal to 1 is there. So both the things S value we will substitute. First I am putting J is equal to spin value. In a singlet state I am calculating the J value. So L plus S, I am putting L plus S. L is nothing but 2 you have got, and S equal to 0. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. I am substituting here for 1 dj. J value is equal to 2 here. So 1 d2 for the singlet state. Now it is for triplet state we have to calculate S equal to 1. So J is equal to L plus S to L minus S, right? So L plus S is equal to, here L is equal to, you know, L is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 to 2 minus 1, right? 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 3 to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 3, 2 and 1. So for the triplet state we will be getting the term symbol we have seen 3dj, and we got now the J values 3d3, 3d2 and 3d1. Clear? So 1d2 is the term symbol for the singlet state, and 3d3, 3d2 and 3d1 for the triplet state. Totally 4 term symbols we have got for the S1 D1. Okay, clear?